Every morning, I start my day with a simple, refreshing, and hydrating routine. First, I start with a pH-balanced vitamin C gel cleanser. Oiling is probably my best kept secret and keeps my skin dewy and hydrated. This is not a thick cream that you're used to, but a thin veil of simple oils to calm, hydrate, and help skin look healthy. Opposed to popular belief, bacteria doesn't grow in these oils. Currently, I'm using a blend of tamanu and rosehip. Rosehip is rich in omega-6 essential fatty acids and can be used to aid in skin renewal to replenish a healthy glow for an antioxidant production. Tamanu oil has naturally occurring essential fatty acids that promote soft, radiant, hydrated skin. I follow that up with one of my favorites, hyaluronic acid. It's a powerful moisture replenisher that comes in creams and serums and can lock in hydration. As a nutritionist, I know staying healthy isn't just about what you put in your body, but also what you put on your body. Because of that, I keep my skincare routine to simple and natural products, so I'm not only healthy from the inside out, but the outside in too. After I'm all hydrated, I head to my mat to stretch, foam roll, and jot down my goals for the day.